Let's open up our shoulders and rib cage with this flow, beginning with some rib cage breathing. Place your hands onto your lower ribs. As you inhale, expand outward. As you exhale, knit it all in like a corset. Once more, big breath in into your back body and sides of the rib cage. And exhale as you pull it all in. Making your way into all fours, bringing your palms underneath your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale as you expand outward into the ribs, and exhale as you pull it in. Once more, inhaling outward, lengthening your spine, and pulling it all in. Moving on to some cat-cows. Inhale as you arch, and exhale as you round. Inhale as you arch the spine, gazing up, and exhale as you round through your spine. Once more, inhaling, arch through the back, and exhale as you round. Moving on, inhale, arch, and exhale as you lower all the way down onto the belly. Inhale, lift your head, neck, and shoulders. Exhale, press it back into child's pose. Inhale, lift all fours. Exhale, lower onto the belly. Inhale, lift the chest, cobra pose. Exhale, press it back into your child's pose, lengthening through the sides of the chest as well. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower all the way down onto the belly. Inhale, lift yourself back up. And exhale, finding child's pose for a few breaths. Really breathe some length into your underarm areas and lengthen between your middle back. Come back up into all fours and lower all the way down onto the belly, setting up for cobra pose. Walk your hands in line with the chest, and on your inhale breath, lift your head, neck, and shoulders up. Take another inhale breath here. Exhale, lower just the forehead, aiming for your hairline rather than in between your eyebrows. Inhale as you lift the head, gaze forward, and exhale as you lower. Continue with this for a few more rounds. Inhale as you lift, and exhale as you lower. We're trying to pull the chin in towards the base of the skull. That's why we're aiming for the hairline. So you're really getting that nice lengthening sensation in the back of the neck while we're strengthening the middle back. Rest as you need to. And we'll take one more here, lifting up on your inhale breath, and exhale as you lower, pressing back up into another child's pose, but trying to keep your middle back long, so we're pressing that area between the shoulder blades towards the mat. Flip your palm so the knife edge of your hand is pressing down and your thumbs are reaching up. This is going to give you a lot of length in your lats. You may need to take your shoulders or your arms a little bit wider. Feel that nice tractioning sensation, your lower back moving away from the pelvis, and breathing into the rib cage on the side as well as the back of the body. Take another big inhale, steady exhale, and then make your way back up into all fours. Pulling your knees in line with your hips, hands underneath the shoulders. Extend your left leg back behind you and reach your right arm forward, thumb facing up. Try to lengthen through the right side of the body and keep your left leg level with the hip. Take an inhale. Exhale as you lower your hand and tap your toes down to the ground. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale as you lower. Try to maintain a neutral spine, continuing with this. Inhale up. Exhale as you lower, not overarching the back. One more, up on the inhale, and exhale as you lower down. Make your way back into all fours, and let's take it over to the other side. Right leg extends behind you. Reach your left arm forward. Feel that length in both directions. Take an inhale. Exhale as you tap the toe in the hand. Inhale, lifting up. And exhale as you lower. Neutral spine, lifting up on your inhale. Exhale as you lower. Last one, coming up. Inhale. And exhale as you lower. Let's take another child's pose here. If you want to round through your upper back, you can, or you can find that melted heart variation with keeping the upper back long and pressing the shoulder blades towards the ground. Wherever you are, breathe deeply into the sides of the rib cage and your waist, and soften through your hips. We're going to make our way back up into all fours. On an inhale breath, lift your right arm up and exhale as you lower. Inhale, lift it up. Allow your pelvis to rotate with you, and exhale as you bring it back down. Let's take a few more here. As you inhale, lead with the chest. The arm is just going along for the ride, and exhale as you lower. This time, lift the arm up on an inhale breath. Exhale as you thread the needle, drawing the arm all the way through and lowering down. Use your left hand for support, lining it up with your face so that you're not crunching into your neck. Breathe behind your right shoulder blade and feel this nice opening across your middle back. Few more breaths here. On your next inhale, lift your right arm back up. Exhale, release it to the floor. Let's take it over to the other side. On an inhale breath, lift your left arm up and exhale as you lower. Big inhale, lift the arm, open the chest and the hips, and exhale as you lower down. Continue lifting, leading with the chest on your inhale, and exhale, lower. Let's take one more, lifting up on your inhale, and exhale as you thread the needle, guiding the arm through and lowering your head down. Right hand for support. This is going to protect your neck, but also allow you to create that twist in your middle back. Couple more breaths here, breathing behind the shoulder blade. Nice steady inhale, slow steady exhale. Lifting your arm back up on an inhale breath, and exhale as you lower, pressing back into your final child's pose. Stay here as long as you like, enjoying that nice opening across your middle back and shoulders.